Happy New Year. I hope you're having a wonderful start to the year. I wanted to share with you some updates that are happening in the ASEA world. With the type of account that you have, you're going to be seeing a price adjustment. So there's going to be a 10% increase in the price of the product. But ASEA knows you have been a loyal customer and they are grateful for that. And so they've opened up a way for you to be able to grandfather in to the old pricing, the pricing that you're currently enjoying in your account. And the way to do that is to upgrade to a brand partner account. Now, this upgrade typically costs $40 US, but ASEA is allowing you to upgrade for free. As long as you do it in this window of time, which is between now and February 20th, you'll be able to upgrade your account for free and lock in the current pricing that you are enjoying right now, the wholesale pricing. Now, the other thing that ASEA is offering is the person that shared this with you, on January 24th, they're going to be given 10% off codes. These codes they can gift to people like yourself so that when they become a brand partner or set up their first order, they can get 10% off. So what this means for you is that when you go in to upgrade to the brand partner account, you can use this 10% off code on that first order when you upgrade. And so it's kind of like your next subscription, if you time it properly, is going to get this 10% off. Now you have to do this in order to get that. And then you're going to set up in the brand partner account your subscriptions going forward, and your account is going to just be set as it is right now at the pricing that you enjoy right now, and all the different bundles and the free shipping you get on the essentials bundles and all of that will still be as it is. Now, the other piece that ASEA is going to gift you when you become a brand partner, they're going to give you 10% off codes that you can use to give to friends, to family, to your loved ones. Maybe there's someone you know that's dealing with similar issues that ASEA has helped you with. We all know how powerful this product is. It's kind of a natural thing to want to tell and share with people. And now you're going to be given the ability to give 10% off codes to people. And actually, if they've redeemed them, ASEA is going to pay you. You're going to get cash for that. Now, your current rewards, so you might have 15, 20, 25, maybe even 30% back that you're getting on your product every month. Your Redox rewards percentage will transfer, and your Redox rewards points will transfer. So remember, those points on your account are like cash. They're like dollars or whatever currency you're in. Those will move with you. So this is just a seamless transfer. It's easy to do. It's easy to set up. I'm actually going to show you here in a moment how to do it. But what I want to encourage you to do is reach out to the person that you purchased from. They're going to be able to give you that 10% off code. They're going to be able to walk you through this process. A couple of people are ending up with like multiple subscriptions on their account. So we're going to make sure that this is seamless for you. Ask for help, ask for support. That's why we're here. And we want to help you just get grandfathered into this current pricing and all these thank yous that ASEA is giving you for being a loyal customer over the year, and maybe ability now to share it with some other people as well. So let me jump over to the website and show you what you need to know. So you're going to go to ASEAglobal.com, and in the top right, you're going to see virtual office. Now, you made a username and a password when you made your account. If you can't remember it, click forgot password or reach out to the person that helped you with this because they have your ID number. They can also use that. Once you have that information and you're able to log in, you're going to see a few things. You're going to see your rewards points and percentage. This is going to transfer with you to the new account. And you're also at the top, you're going to see a button that says Become an Associate. This is what I want you to click. And so when you click this, it is going to upgrade you to what's called a brand partner. There's new branding going on. This is the name that's going to be in place as of January 24th. But let's go in and see what that looks like. So first step is to pick your package. Now, these are packages that you have available this first time that you upgrade. There's several packages here, from large family packs with big discounts to the entrepreneur pack, as well as the bundles that you're used to seeing. Now, whatever you purchase here, if you're doing it after January 24th, this is where you're going to get 10% off. So let's say you're doing the deluxe bundle. It's probably the most popular option. You're going to click that into your cart. This is what you're buying today during the upgrade. And then it's going to ask you about your subscription. So this is a month from today. Maybe it's the deluxe bundle again. You're going to put that on there. It says I currently have an active subscription. So if your customer account currently has an active subscription, then you don't need to add another one. Or you might want to see that this one actually goes out a month from now. All right, so you're going to get a pop-up like I did if you have one on the account, and you can just decide. All right, so I'm going to continue just in case you click continue, and I'm going to end up with 2 subscriptions on this account. I'm just going to show you what you can do afterwards if that happens to you, and I want you to double check it. So you're going to click next. Now, all your information is going to populate over here on the left-hand side. You're going to put in the promo code. All right, so whatever the promo code is that your sponsor has, you're going to type it in there and you're going to click apply. Now, before I do that, I want you to see the $40 US fee is taken off. You're getting a free upgrade. This is the thank you that ASEA is giving you. And now, if you use the code, you're going to get an additional 10% off. All right, so you can see that was applied in there, and now this is 67 US dollars less. So you do that. We can see here the subscription that is set up for a month from now. We're going to continue to check out. And then you're going to be able to put in your credit card information. And it's also going to ask you down here for your birthday and your social. Now, this confuses some people, but let me explain. With the brand partner account, you're going to be able to refer this to other people. Those 10% off codes, remember I mentioned that you're giving to friends and family? Well, when you do that, ASEA pays you. And if you happen to make more than $600, you'll get a $10.99, but that's only if you make more than $600. And because of that, ASEA just needs your birthday and your social on file so they can send that $10.99 to you. So that's all that's about. Make sure you put that in there. And the other piece here is your username. Now, your username becomes your website. You see down here how it says ASEAglobal.com/this. So what you choose here, so I'm going to say your choice, all right, that you put for your username, you can change it during this upgrade process, becomes the website. Now, the other thing is it becomes your 10% off code. All right, so a friend of yours could go to your new website and they're gonna, in their checkout process, they're gonna write in whatever the username is. So in this example, they would write in your choice, right? In my example, it was Danielle because that is it. All right, so that's what you need to really think about and then go through that process and check out. Now, what I want you to then double check is to, I'm not gonna do it because I don't wanna buy anything right now, so I'm not gonna finish the process, but I want you to then go back to your account. So remember, ASEAglobal.com, click the virtual office, log in. When you log in, I want you to click Manage Subscription. And I want you to just double check, okay? I don't want you to end up with multiple subscriptions. So I want you to just double check. This account has a subscription coming up and we can see when it is. If there were multiple, when I scrolled here, I would see them. All right, so that's what I want you to double check. You can also double check that your rewards points and percentage also transferred. Now, remember, if you changed your username, when you go to log back in, you would need to use your updated username. Right? So if I changed this to your choice, you would now need to use the updated username to log into this brand partner account. Well, my friends, I hope that this makes sense to you. Please reach out to the person that shared ASEA with you. They will walk you through this process. We just want to make sure you realize what's happening. Now, if you don't want to go through this process, just know that the 10% increase is happening after January 24th. So whenever your subscription processes after that date, you will see this price adjustment. If you want to avoid it, you just go through this process and you'll be able to.